Hey everyone, this is Christian with US Dental. This is an unboxing video my team and I did. We're just learning the unit called the Ceramix 3D printer by Shining 3D. We'll show you what's inside and what it looks like to use the machine from beginning to end. Should be a short video. Hope you enjoy.
Ceramix. Ooh, they come in the box too. Damn, okay. It comes in the case. Oh, shoot, dude. Yo, Larry, you want to see the unboxing? Oh, and here's the capsule. Oh, okay. The capsule is like they put it like, this A2. Ooh. Oh, dang, it's heavy, bro.
How much do you think it weighs?
Oh, that's a solid 15. Oh, I know. Ready? Dun, 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 dun.
This whole entire thing weighs under 5 pounds, which is kind of wild for what it does. It's both a printer and a cure.
Wait, what is this?
That's for holding your teeth.
What's this? Calibration tool or something? Anything? Nope. Straps. Oh, I thought it'd be wireless too.
No.
Huh? Can you just plug it there? Plug, and then this is the memory. This one. Oh, look at that.
It's all on Android.
You can transfer file through the USB-C. Oh, I don't see this. It doesn't say that's wireless.
You just get as soon as possible.
Okay, active and buying. Okay, so I'll do this in my room, and I guess we're good now.
Instead of pouring resin like a traditional printer, this one uses sealed capsules. So you just drop one in. There's actually a QR code on each capsule that tells the machine exactly which resin it's loaded with, so it configures itself automatically. No measuring, no mixing. This particular resin is packed with about 55% ceramic particles, which is a big part of what gives these crowns their strength. Most printers have to physically peel each layer off the bottom of the vat, which takes time. This one uses controlled air pressure instead, so it separates each layer with barely any gap, under a millimeter, which is why it can print a single crown in as little as 7 to 11 minutes. And the design side is all connected through their cloud platform. Once you scan the patient's mouth, the AI generates a crown design in about 2 minutes and sends it straight to the printer over Wi-Fi. No file transfers, no separate design software. Once it's done printing, there's still uncured resin on the surface, so the next step is cleaning that off before it goes into the curing chamber. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean it with alcohol, and we're going to go ahead and blow it off with some air. Just a safety note for everybody, uncured resin can cause skin and eye irritation, so gloves and eye protection should be used. So when you submerge a ceramic crown in alcohol for too long, this is what it looks like. It gets a little chalky, so I would recommend using a micro brush and using a little bit of alcohol to clean off the excess resin. Then you could go ahead and dry it with your air compressor or a 3-way syringe.
Just drop it in there, all facing up. Weird. There you go. Here. This one you can put it back. It's just a cover. Okay, this is the driver for the app. Let's say I want to print right now. There you go. This is your.
For this video, we won't be showing you how to stain and glaze it or polish it to get rid of those little bumps that are from the support. We'll make another video for that. If you guys want to see it, just give us a like and comment, and we'll make one. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.